Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 10. After completion of the rules of downward L, exercise number 55, 56 and 57. Let's start with exercise number 55 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Until quite recently, the volume of our business in the south was quite small, but since last November we have had an office in Fulham and the volume of sales has risen steadily. Sales in this territory for January and February are the best in the history of the firm. In these 2 months, we have sold twice as much in the south as we sold last year. The fact that this is almost as much as we have sold in Manchester shows that our new policy is entirely justified. We feel that the result of our new policy is most satisfactory. The race is not always to the swift. Sometimes too much haste makes for less speed. Never waste time by having to do the same job twice. This is useful advice, and if you will follow it, it will assist you to be successful. Write your notes accurately and neatly so that not only you but anybody else can read them easily. Next is exercise number 56 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Recently, we wrote to you and stated that unless we received your check by 16th February, we should have to ask our lawyer to take steps to force you to pay the bill you owe us. Unfortunately, you have not answered our note, and now we must inform you that we have asked our lawyer to go ahead and follow the usual methods to make you pay. We are exceedingly sorry to have to do so, but evidently this is the only way in which we can secure our money. We certainly feel that we have acted quite fairly with you, and as we have said, this seems to be the only thing left for us to do. If you mail your check without the slightest delay, you can avoid heavy costs, and we advise you to do so as soon as you receive this. Next is exercise number 57 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I think that the way in which we store goods at the factory is not altogether satisfactory. It seems to me that the fire insurance rates are now quite high, and I feel that with some changes in the storerooms, reduced rates might be expected. I should like you to inspect the rooms as soon as possible, and if, as a result of your inspection, you think that our methods with respect to the storage of goods are unsatisfactory, I wish you would suggest any changes which could be put into effect. I wish you would let me have the different insurance policies now in force, together with the details of the scale on which the insurance rates are based, so that I can make an analysis of the annual cost. So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 10. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.